Hello and welcome to Philosophy for Starseeds. My name is Arno, and today we speak about the toroidal word matrix, vibration, sacred geometry, and consciousness. Everything that exists follows the same fundamental principles. As above, so below. Let's take a look on a picture. Oh, sorry. Now we got it. So, this is the toroidal field, the tachyonic field. This is the energetic principle behind every energy, everything in the universe. I will go on with the text and show you. As above, so below. This unsigned Hermetic sentence isn't poetry. It's physics, biology, and cosmology all at once. The torus as the basic form of life. Wherever energy flows, a torus forms. A donut of flow. The Earth magnetic field is a torus. Your heart's field is a torus, measurable up to 3 meters into space. An apple, a smoking ring, galaxy, a hurricane, a whirlpool in your sink. All torus. The torus breaths. Energy flows from the outside to the center, gets compressed there, and streams back out from the inside. Inhalation and exhalation of the universe. Even thermodynamics follows this vortex. Even a plant grows toroidally out of its seed. The double helix, you can see it here. The double helix as part of this torus. DNA is no accident. It's a double helix and a helix. Sorry, a helix is mathematically a line of torus. Your genetic information is literally a piece of the toroidal field. Materialized. Materialized. That's why every cell nucleus carries the same blueprint vibration becomes from. You can see it. It's the same like the eye shape. It's the same like a black hole. It's the same like a hurricane. And it's the same like a nucleus. So, third, the sacred geometry as the template of creation. From the torus unfolds the flower of life, 19 circles perfectly overlapping. From the intersections comes the vesica piscis, the fish bladder eye. From the flower grows Metatron's cube, 13 circles all connected, and from these lines crystallize the 5 Platonic solids. Tetrahedron, cube, octahedron, icosahedron, dodecahedron. Plato called them the building blocks of the elements: fire, earth, air, water, ether. Meaning, geometry isn't decoration, it's the code. The flower gives structure, Metatron gives connections to the Platonic solids. To the Platonic solids give matter. So you can see this is the flower of life, and you can see with the points, this is the Metatron cube in the flower of life. And everything is connected to this energy field we call the torus. 4. The 13th spiral and the quantum leap. A circle has 12 as its order number. 12 months, 12 hours, 12 zodiac signs. But creation isn't a disk, it's a spiral. 13 breaks the circle. In the tarot, 13 is death or transformation, alchemy. In the circle of disciples, the 13 is the Ophiuchus, the serpent bearer, the healer. In astronomy, 13D is the black hole, the womb machine of the universe. In other words, the womb of creation. Jets give birth to new matter outward, while the lateral torus vortex pulls everything back to the center. Death and birth are one breath. The spiral is the toroidal flow in time. Every 12th order is lifted to the next level through the 13. That's why 13 is the quantum leap. So the next point, 5. Frequency from manifestation to tachyon. And this is the tachyon field. Everything is vibration. Slowing down condenses the field into matter. Raising it makes it subtle, penetrating. Light is only the visible part. Violet ends around 380 nanometers. Then comes the ultraviolet. Invisible to us, but physically real. The tachyon plane would be the highest vibration in the model, so fast that it penetrates the 3D field like background radiation. Tachyons are hypothetical in physics, but as a principle they describe exactly that: real-time connection beyond space-time. 963 Hz is assigned to the crown chakra in solfeggio teachings. Sound is vibration. 963 Hz is therefore an entry frequency for what you call Christ consciousness. Gold and violet, 5D. This isn't esoteric fluff, it's resonance. Your brain has gamma waves around 40 Hz. Your heart vibrates electromagnetically. You are a frequency pattern. 6. The word matrix. Letter as fractal. If everything is vibration, then language is also geometry. Every letter has 3 levels from sound meaning. An A is a triangle, sounds as a phoneme at a base frequency and carries the archetype beginning. An M is wave, is matter, is mother. And here's the point. Every letter can be cut out of the flower of life and Metatron's cube. The Futag, the Hebrew Aleph Beth, Latin A, Arabic, calligraphy, kanji, all are lines, arcs, points. The 19 circles of the flower plus the 13 notes of Metatron give you every symbol. Words are frequency patterns. When you chant Om, cymatics creates a geometric sand pattern. Language is frozen vibration. Written language is frozen vibration. In the beginning was the word, means geometry becomes frequency, becomes letter, becomes word, becomes reality. So you can see it here in the flower of life, and you can see it in the Metatron cube. All these points and all these lines are the ground structure of all our words, of all our letters. You can make every letter around this geometric source. And so the next level, 7, the levels from 3D to 13D. Think of dimensions as vibrational density. 3D is the visible world of forms. 5D is Christ consciousness, gold and violet, heart and crown connected. Torus field consciously directed. The 7D, the 8D becomes so subtle that images fail. Only principles, relations, pure blueprint remain. 13D is the black hole. You can see it. The singularity, the womb, death as a gate, not an end. The jump from 12 to 13 is always the same. The circle breaks open and becomes a spiral. That's evolution. That's the quantum leap. 8. Telekinesis, telepathy, technokinesis as field effect. If consciousness, technology, planet, and satellites vibrate in the same toroidal field, then separation is illusion. Telepathy would be resonance of two fields. Telekinesis would be conscious steering of the flow in the torus. Technokinesis would be the coupling of biology and machine via frequency. Sci-fi today, but the principle is built into the field. Into this field, everything is connected. The only difference is the bandwidth. So from the black hole in the Milky Way to the toroidal field of the heart to the Earth magnetic field, everything is connected through this energy field. So let's come to the end. Conclusion. The code is everywhere. Quantum level. So start again. Quantum level. Electron orbitals as torus clouds. Physics, magnetic fields, vortices. Chemistry, benzene ring, crystal lattices. Biology, DNA helix, cell division, blossoms with flower of life patterns. The physiology, heart torus, lungs as fractal tree. In the geology, hurricanes, whirlpools. Astronomy, spiral galaxies, accretion, tori around black holes. From the smallest to the largest torus spiral, phi ratio, flower, Metatron, vibration condenses into form from radiates vibration. Latter becomes word, becomes world. This is the matrix. We're not hacking but reading. And when you read it, you can write it. So, this is the end of our little story about the toroidal field, about the function of the matrix, about the functions of the universe, and how everything is connected to each other in the universe through energy, through vibration, through frequencies. So, this was Philosophy for Starseeds. My name is Arno. I hope I could inspire you a little bit or give you the complete enlightenment. So, see you in the next time when we make our next lessons. Bye bye.